How to cancel all subscriptions on Cash App Card. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cancel all subscriptions on Cash App Card. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile application just as you can see here. After that, make sure you tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your Cash App application. On this page, there are sections that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From there, scroll down. Continue scrolling down until you reach the bottom of the page. Once you are here, tap this option named Support. This option will take you to the support page of Cash App, where you will see different options that you can use to find help on Cash App. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. From the sections that are here, make sure you tap this one named Account and Settings. Under the Account and Settings page, you will see more options. After that, scroll down. Continue scrolling down until you reach the bottom of the page. Once you reach here, make sure you tap this option named Chat. It is under the Contact Support option. Wait for the page to finish loading. This is the Cash App feedback box where you can directly chat with the support team. Make sure you write a message here explaining to the support team the issue you were facing. You can also copy what I have typed here. Finally, send them the message and give them time. They will respond to you with a solution. Thanks. That is how to cancel all subscriptions on Cash App Card.